Finding the courage to change. Powerless versus helpless. How is being powerless different from being helpless? Once I had a habit of learned helplessness. I would just give up and wait for rescue. If no rescuer came, I was stuck. I had already decided that I could not change anything about my situation. Helpless was also hopeless. It was like being a baby, crying because I had unmet needs. I didn't believe that I could help myself. I had no hope that I could possibly change my situation. I was looking for someone else to fix me, love me, or believe in me. When that happened, it was great. But when that person turned their attention away from supporting me, I was lost again. I was trying to control other people or situations in order to feel safe or loved. But I had no power over them. I was powerless, and that felt hopeless. My life was unmanageable. Gradually, I learned that there is one place where I have power. My true power is over me. I have power over my thoughts, feelings, attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. I wasn't used to being responsible for myself. Sometimes I felt powerless to change this pattern, but it wasn't impossible. It just took some focus and practice to flip my thinking upside down. I am powerless over others, but I am not helpless. I can be responsible for myself. It's not always easy, but it always feels good.